All right, so for today's video, if you guys watched my last one, my air filters are like dirty as shit, so.
I made this bitch like Fort Knox. Trying to get up in this shit.
Let me get one of them bitches.
Yeah, maybe if I open it.
Yeah, so I'll show my dirty ass ones in a minute here, but we have these available on my website. We got us some ARM air intakes, you know, packaged beautifully. Rate the packaging.
400.
400 out of 10. I'm ready to go ahead and put these in, and I also got new cabin air filters from Burger Motorsport. I'm trying to still get their stuff on my website, but still working out some stuff with them. I got the red ones because they just came out with like the colored ones where it's red and blue. But I copped the red ones to match with the red on red little action. I know there's like cleaning stuff that you can do for the other air filters, but they're so cheap, probably just easier to go ahead and replace the whole thing. We'll be riding fresh. And then later in this video, we're gonna test out the launch control, because I know a bunch of people want to see that, and I'm actually curious to see how that works. I haven't tried it yet still, because every time I've tried it, I just lose traction the whole time, so I'm gonna actually try to sit down and figure out how to run it. Come with some nice stickers. And this is what you're supposed to do with the stickers actually right here. So this is a label. See, it says arm. So you just gotta label people. Go ahead and roll the sleeve back up. So you just gotta leave it on there for 24 hours and it's a permanent tat. It's just so you don't forget what arm, you know, like what's an arm and what's a leg. Sometimes you get that shit mixed up. Having 3 legs and shit, it kind of gets confusing sometimes, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, this bitch hard though. You ain't gonna tell me you waging war against China.
Hey, stand in front of it like that one dude did. Anyways, I'm ready to bring my car in the garage and then throw this shit in. It's super easy. Literally takes 5 minutes. But then after that, we're gonna go do launch control.
My hair's ripping off. It's gotta go. Oh yeah, we on it now, boy. Oh!
You hit the whip. Let me try this shit. Alright, y'all ain't ready for it right here.
Yeah.
I actually was in circus one like 2 years ago. Pop that pussy! Alright, so here's my super dirty ones. Look, them bitches were red before. Now they're black. Those are always black.
So am I.
So all you literally need for that, to do both of those, is an 8mm and a flathead, so.
Describing my cock.
This is literally all you need to get the air filters and cabin filters out. So if you're doing your OEM one, it's also just like a shit ton of 8mm. Bing! Alright, so now if you take this one, you just go like that. Then you want to take this one and go like this. Alright. So we got those out. Bing, bada boom, bada bang. Then we got the red ones right here. And it's the same thing, just gotta throw them bitches in. Bing! Bing! So I think it like has a taper to it, so the bigger side's gotta go to this side, I guess.
I feel like I'm holding this camera like a middle-aged woman.
You definitely are. At your grandkids band class. Tying these boys back in. Plus 9,000 horsepower. Alright, and boom. After you do that, you immediately get 400 DMs from every bad thing on your phone. You know, doing these, it lets a lot of the heat off and it looks cooler. So it's a lot easier to work on your car when you have these in there if you don't have them. I think they're only like $60, so it's definitely worth the cop. So,
hold on, wait a minute. You said cop?
Cop?
Alright, well that's the end of the video, guys.
Thanks for watching. Yeah, when that happened?
Last night when I was riding the pogo stick.
Here's the new news. Here's the olds. Them things are blinging. They have carbon fiber ones, but I think they sold out because I was gonna cop them, but they were sold out.
Cop?
So literally all it is for these is flatheads. If you have the OEM airbox, it's just a bunch of flatheads again, I think, and then you just gotta rip.
I know a couple air boxes.
You just gotta rip it out. I know it's not that hard, so you got it at home. Loosen this up, rip her out.
You have very nice knuckles.
Appreciate it. Then you just pull this guy out. Line up. Just take the black part. You put the BBC in here, big black cone. Change your plans, you just don't. Put these on here first. Tighten this guy up right here. I got the 2-part on the intake before I actually put in there. Then you just want to shove it in there like EDP. I probably can't put that in there, huh? Alright, anyways. Then you just want to shove it in there, consensually. Take your other one, put it in there. No. And then it goes right on the other side, right there. Tighten this clamp with a flathead. Alright, so now it's all tightened up in there. Super easy and saw literally like 10 minutes. Now we shining red, boy!
Bow! Whole lot of red.
Yeah, so we got a whole lot of red going on right now.
Don't do what?
A whole lot of dead if you touch the headlight. Pretty much what that's saying. I think these are 80, these are 60. Go cop them on the website.
My mom's 49 and my dad is, I don't fucking know him.
So it's all looking brand new, nice and fresh. We're probably gonna go try to figure out this launch control, because I still haven't figured it out yet.
Launch! Bow!
Alright, so before I go do the launch control, previously on MHD, I had my settings on automatic transmission, obviously. But now that I'm on XHP, I think I have to put it on this setting. Alright, map right. Alright, so this is done now. So now we're gonna go try launch control real quick. Let's go back. Record that shit.
Alright, where? Who?
Behind us. Should I go back?
Yeah.
Right here. Hey, look. We got someone filming us right now. What's up? What are we recording for?
Speeders. We have a lot of trouble with people speeding along.
Oh, my
here.
car's just loud.
Okay, that's fine. It wasn't
Yeah.
actually your car that went by a little while ago.
Oh, okay.
But we have a lot of young kids
I
out
got
here
you.
riding their bikes and stuff, so
Yeah, I'm very careful though. I'm
I
aware.
appreciate it.
Understandable.
I'm just loud, that's all.
that's
My car's
okay.
just loud.
That's fine.
Alright, cool. Have a go. Bro, I thought she was a Karen because when I went by, she was literally recording me.
No, she was until you had a camera. She didn't want to be on Facebook like shit.
Yeah, when I pulled up with the camera, because we went by and she was on some shit. She literally whipped out the phone, but she was not ready for me having a big ass camera like this. I came out like a movie set on her. And then she switched up her whole vibe. I'm definitely looking super head ass right now. Alright, let's give it a try like back here. Cause there ain't no one back here these kind of hours. Alright, here we go. We're gonna try it right here. So I guess I just full brake down with the button clicked. What? That is not working at all. We're gonna try one more time here. Alright, here we go again, one more time at this location. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm clicking the button all the way down. It ain't work though, it still ain't work. Oh. Why is this man's running for?
That bitch driving a Puma.
He's driving a Puma shoe. Alright, let's race, bro. What are you doing? Let's run it, fool. I'm not trying to do a 90 roll. Oh, he pulled off. Damn. Who's this man flying up? I think he won a race. Man!
She said I'm just recording fast cars. What other
Is that
car
what she
are you
said?
recording, bitch?
Oh yeah, she said the car before you. Yeah.
Where?
The Nissan Altima. For sure.
For sure, that bitch is moving.
Cause I rolled up with hella energy, like I was ready, like hit a bitch. But then when she was nice, I was like, all right, I can't.
Yeah. She's still gonna go behind your back and do the shit.
Oh yeah, I'll be on Facebook in a minute. Imagine.
The sun is fucking marking my eyeballs.
This is the longest road I think ever invented. Someone's backing out in the middle of the road, bro. You see this? Just like super pissed off.
Oh shit.
Just act like I'm boys with everybody.
That boy built like a
You feel like an oven.
stick bug.
Got an open road. I might try right here. Just give it a little go. Oh. That bitch did not work though.
Get on the side.
Alright, this Honda's ready. Cat!
Thank you, lady.
So nice. Hey!
Stop your jacket.
Alright, try it one more time right here. We ain't got no one coming up. Thoughty! Still not working. Nah, it's supposed to go bing, 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 bing. Then we go bing. Huh? Go! I got pulled over here one time.
Yeah, that bitch whiny as a motherfucker.
My wastegate's just open. Y'all want to see me obliterate my turbos? Bow, 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 bow. He's singing. I'll try it one more time. We better end up in a cornfield, fool. Alright, I'm about to hop on the GoPro and we're gonna try to figure this out. Alright, so it's been a couple days later, and I know what all y'all are thinking. You're probably at home cringing because you're like, why does this man think his pussy ass automatic is gonna do launch control? Now I understand that it's only for manual. Somebody in my DMs told me that it does work for automatics, but you know, I guess you shouldn't listen to everyone in your DMs. So it doesn't work for automatic, rip in the chat. Hopefully they'll come out with something soon where you can do it for automatics. That'd be sick. So that's why I'm here to make my apology video. I thought to make it convenient for you guys by f***ing up in the video and doing the apology video in the same video to make it super easy. So here we go. I'm sorry. God, that bitch stung for some reason. Anyways, this is what I would look like if my N54 blew up. Might be next week. I never really say this, but everyone needs to like and subscribe on this video because on YouTube it says only 10% of people who watch my videos are even subscribed. So you boys need to subscribe because we're trying to hit 50K by the end of this year. I know that's a crazy ass number. We ready to go crazy this summer. You guys have probably noticed that I've been uploading a little more frequently. That's just because I've been having a lot less restrictions on life, got a lot more free time. I dropped out of college because that shit. Yep, so that's pretty much it in this video. Please like and subscribe. Please, I'm begging you. Follow all my social medias. Check out shopwebbies.com for BMW aftermarket parts. Yup, that's gonna do it for this video, so get you on the flip.
I just linked the O in the hotel lobby. I hit it, then I go home, roll with shawty. Make a song about the box, got me feeling like Roddy. They know I'm a pop, ain't shit gon' stop me. And it's funny how shit change.